If your Google ads are not spending the allocated daily budget, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to answer a similar question like this. But before I answer, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza. I'm a Google ads, Facebook ads, and Bing ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google ads audit, setup, or management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's move on to the question I have today. And the question is, my Google ad campaign are not consuming the daily budget. Hi Ali, I'm new in this world and I like some advice. I'm monitoring the budget of my campaigns and realize that some campaigns do not spend even 10% of what I have assigned to them. What can this be due to, and how can I fix it? So you are saying that your campaigns are not spending not even the 10%. So there may be a basic ideas, and this can help you. For instance, the most of the problem is with the people with the location. They are not targeting the location, right location, or need to increase the location. So focus on working on your locations. Also try adding new quality keywords. I'm not saying to add any keyword in the bulk, but there may be that you are targeting very less amount of keywords, and very less which has a very less impression share in the market. So this can be a reason as well. After this, check your bidding strategy. Now to check the bidding strategy, you just have to move on to your campaign settings, and you can easily find it over here. For instance, this is one of the campaign, and I'm just going to go to the campaign settings to see what kind of a bidding strategy I'm using over here. So once you land into the campaign settings, you may see over here uh, your bidding strategy over here. So for bidding strategy over here, because it's maybe a different, so simply move on to the maximize clicks over here, and set a maximize CPC click, which you may have to double it. So double your CPC limit from your current, plus change it to maximize clicks for now. Okay, you may have to change this bidding strategy, but right now this may be an optimum way to get the most of the clicks. After this, I recommend you over here, yes, there may be few settings which you may have to see. You may have to see your if you have enabled your Google network. So it has location settings, like look in locations, sometimes people mistake over here with location options. So the presence is selected, or the presence or interest, either is fine, but just do a second check over here. After this, check your ad schedule plus your languages over here. Sometimes mistaken you have added another language while you're targeting another country, so this may be an issue as well. So language can be an issue as well. And apart from this, I recommend you to look for our ad schedules. And apart from this as well, sometimes what happens is over here, look for device bidding. So you can simply search over here as well for the device bidding. And you can even see over here that where your ads are being shown over here, and from here you can adjust in case if you are seeing. And then you can adjust over here as well, that when your ads are being shown, when your ads are short. So this can also tell you. Apart from this, you can also do changes over here as well. When you are opening your campaign, you can see different metrics like your impression share in the market. For instance, if I'm going to open this campaign, what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna segment my columns, and I'm gonna modify over here, and I'm gonna search for impression, and I'm gonna see my uh, impressions. Apart from impressions, I may also see search impression share. So my search impression share can also tell me uh, the how many percentage of search impression I'm getting over here, right? Like the number of impressions and the search impression share. This can also tell me that in case if there is a market search and my ads are being not shown, then the scenario over here. And in case if there are no searches and I'm getting 100% share, it means that I'm taking the maximum of the market availability, and then I have to follow the formula of adding more keywords or optimizing more locations. So this can also tell me over here as well. So I'm just going to remove it because I have my current client didn't ask for this. So I'm going to remove over here the impressions plus the target impression share, search impression share, which I selected, and then I'm gonna remove from over here, and the impression as well. and I can also see the interaction rate, but interaction rate may be general idea but not this one, and not specific to this one as well. I can see this impression share of top impression share or absolute top impression share to see where my ads are being shown, or if my ads are being shown or not at all. Simply select the apply over here as well. Also, another thing is, you can simply move on to your ad preview section over here and diagnostic to see in case of your ads are being shown for that keyword or not. So you can write the search term and simply do a search over here to figure out if, after writing your location, to see if your ads are being shown for that. So ad preview and diagnostic can also tell that if there is any issue. For either help, you can also reach to Google Ads help. So you can simply write over here Google Ads help and simply move on to the Google Ads help and email them with the specific issue you have, like I have tried everything, still my ads are not being shown on top, or I'm not getting the impression share. So simply move on over here, simply select the contact us. After this, select your issue and simply write over here as well after selecting your account. But in either scenario, in case if you need a help like us to do a thorough review of your Google Ads account, do a detailed review, plus connecting with Google dedicated manager to sort out all your issues regarding your Google Ads account or ad previews, we can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we will love to work and sort out these issues. But I hope and try to be in detail as much as I could possible. So I hope you like the answer, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.